Alright guys, what's up? Well, this is Official Spear here, and it's 7:30 in the morning. I'm about ready to go to school, but I'm just letting you guys know, for my school, they're taking us camping to do something there. So, we're going to be going camping, and I'm going to be gone for 3 days and 2 nights, I think. That's in a day. Well, that's in 2 days, actually. But just tonight is my last night that I pretty much have to play. And so, yeah. Let's see if he tries to kill me. So, yeah. I really don't have anything to do. I'm not seeing any fun anymore in MCPVP itself right now. I do see fun in Hunger Games and a little bit of PvP when I have it. So, yeah, just so they can't kill me. Alright guys, well, I'll talk to you guys when I'm back from camping.